channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have created this bold sultry look for you all. If you're going out for party, if you're going for dinner date or lunch, you can just create this amazing look by using some affordable makeup products. Without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. So let's get started. I'll be using this moisture makeup lotion from PAC. This is how it looks. I'm going to spray all over my face. Next, for moisturizer, I'll be using Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And just going to apply all over. This really makes your skin very hydrating and illuminating at the same time. Next, just to make it more hydrating, I'll be using this Color Bar Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. This really makes your face very juicy, dewy. Next, for my pores, I'll be using Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. Next, for corrector, I'll be using Sugar Face Forward Corrector Sticks in the shade Peach. This is one of my favorite corrector. It's really pigmented, really nice, and it blends smoothly. Using a damp beauty blender from 20 something. It's really soft, really affordable. Bought it for rupees 150 or 160 around. You can buy this from Cuffs and Lashes. I'll be using this Swiss Beauty Ultra Base Concealer Palette, and you can use your hand also to apply. Using this Nykaa Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette, and it's in the shade Smoky 8. Using this flat brush, I'll be using this shade first. Now I'll be using this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. And now going to smudge it. Now blending it with a flat shader brush to make it very smooth, like there should be no any harsh edges. Now using a small fluffy brush, going to take this particular shade and now using this cream color, now I'll be using this Lakme 9 to 5. Using this Nykaa Eyes on Me Beachside Peach palette, I'll be using this particular color on my crease. Flower Lash Warrior Mascara. This is really amazing. It's a lengthening mascara. Just use a lash curler. So our look today is bold, sultry look. So we're going to enhance more on our lashes. So now I'll be using this lash curler again and just to press it. And now I'll be using this Nykaa Curl Power Waterproof Mascara. This is how the wand looks. Let me put my lashes and come back. Now my lashes are on. Now let me just remove this tape. be using this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade N220 Neutral Medium. And now I'll be using this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer and going to spray on my beauty blender. Concealer, I'll be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. Contouring, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to take this flat pack 247 brush. It's an angled brush. And now for blush, I'll be using this Flower Beauty Bomb Color Drop for Chicks blush. It's in the shade Cinnamon. Here. Now I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and it's in the shade number 312 Amber. Now I'll be using this K Beauty Loose Powder in the shade Latte and going to apply. For bronzer, I'll be using this Golden Girl All-in-One Face Palette. This is how it looks. I'll be using this brush. This is from TS Makeup Brushes. It's a contour brush. Going to pick this color. Now I'll be using this Pack 288 brush for my nose contouring. For blush, I'll be using this color. Whatever left over, just apply on your nose if you want, because I really like rosy pinky nose. Coming back to my eyes, I'll be using this Ducare flat shader brush, light color. This is from Revolution Reloaded Red Alert palette. And now for my inner corners, I'll be using this particular color. It's really red, sparkly color. Now for lower lash mascara, I'll be using this Clinique mascara. Quickly do my brows and come back. Now for just to set my makeup, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. Now just quickly go on highlighter. I'll be using the same palette and using this highlighter. For lip liner, I'll be using this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner. For lipstick, I'll be using this Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color in the shade 06, my favorite. I love this color. So yeah, this is my final look. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my video. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, bye.